Binance CZ, according to Fortune, and NBA star Jimmy Butler and other crypto influencers hit with a $1 billion suit for promoting unregistered securities. Meanwhile, Bitcoin liquidity is drying up as crypto tourists recoil from industry disorder. Now, it says that the market is volatile. It's a volatile market, and Bitcoin trading volumes have collapsed, which inevitably makes for a more volatile market. Investors have been paying more on trades because of slippage or the difference between the expected price of a transaction and the price at which it's fully executed, a sign of worsening liquidity. And this is going to be a reoccurring term used, a reoccurring theme of liquidity and the potential crisis of liquidity. The tourists are definitely gone, folks. And you guys, if you guys know, you know. Especially those who are in and have been in the crypto game, the cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin, the XRP, the ETH, the Doge, the tourists are gone. Okay, they got a little taste. They got a little taste during the height of the pandemic, and now they're packing up and they're leaving town. Now, falling volumes points to waning appetites for Bitcoin at its recent higher levels amid easing concerns surrounding the banking sector and as crypto regulation is under the spotlight. Now, we're all aware that crypto is under the spotlight and for a variety of reasons, mainly because it poses a threat. Although, really and truly, cryptocurrency is purely technology, but it poses a threat to the mental construct of the medium of exchange for which our economy is built off of or based off of. And what that means really and truly is money, taxing, the ability to track, trace, tax for transactions and them not fly under the radar, much like they can and do with actual cash, which is another reason why cash is on the chopping block. CBDC, ISO 20022, Fed Now. Folks, these are all designed, pushing towards a day where every transaction can be monitored, controlled, manipulated by one central bank. Crypto's dream of decentralization is dying, folks. Literally, it is. We've got countless lawsuits, countless exchanges just completely wiping out investors. Problem after problem after problem. Liquidity concerns, liquidity crisis. It's been a tough few months. Fast Company reports, legally speaking, for the world's biggest crypto exchanges, FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried has been indicted on multiple charges, including fraud, after his exchange imploded last November, taking billions in customers' assets with it. In February, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, sued Kraken for failing to register its so-called staking as a service program. The exchange quickly agreed to stop offering the service and paid a $30 million fine to settle the charges. In early March, Coinbase, which had just finished settling a lawsuit from New York regulators for $100 million, said that the SEC had sent it a Wells notice, which is essentially a letter stating that an enforcement action may soon be coming down the pike. And then the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, the CFTC, filed a massive lawsuit against the industry's largest exchange, Binance, alleging a wide range of violations of U.S. commodities regulations. Folks, decentralized dream of crypto's dream of decentralization is in fact dying. There are many, many forces working against it, trying to bring it down, trying to bring it to its knees. While all the while, people are steadily asking, Kevin, how? How do I buy crypto? How do I buy Bitcoin? How do I buy XRP? What's the future of XRP? Will XRP hit $10? Will XRP hit $100? Will XRP hit $10,000? Folks, I don't have a crystal ball. I wish I knew. But at the end of the day, all you can really do is pay attention to what's going on, take this information, understand it, and then, judge accordingly moving forward. But the key is going to be diversity. Whatever XRP for instance, let's just say we were to use XRP as the crypto of choice for this topic of conversation. Whatever it does, doesn't matter if you don't own any. Whatever it does, doesn't matter if you haven't bought any. Whatever it does, doesn't matter if you haven't invested in it. And from there, you're going to want to make sure you protect it, because Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, FTX, all these exchanges are vulnerable. They've shown their weaknesses and will eventually show more weakness moving forward. So if you're not protecting your crypto off the exchange with cold storage, for instance, Ledger Nano X, free link in the description down below, then again, whatever it does doesn't matter if it's taken away from you. Therefore, folks, diversity, security, cash flow, this is going to be huge moving forward for a variety of reasons. CoinDesk, Biden administration is politicizing crypto. With Coinbase receiving a Wells notice from the SEC and the CFTC suing Binance, it feels like the crypto industry is at war with the U.S. government. This could get bad. Again, if this gets bad, if it gets real bad and you're on the exchange, you're going to be locked out. You're going to be frozen. You're going to be tied up. If you're not off the exchange, cold storage. Let's think about cold storage. Let's think about cold storage from a relative standpoint similar to cash, dollars, ones, fives, tens, 20s, 50s, hundreds, okay? If you've got cash, now this is not me trying to provoke and incite a bank run. I'm just trying to make a comparison here so you guys can understand. If you've got hard greenbacks, dollars, okay, money in your hand, okay, then if a bank were to collapse, if a bank were to crash, if a bank were to shut down, be taken over by the FDIC, which we've already seen happen, quite possibly we'll see happen more moving forward, all your money is locked and frozen, okay, until a decision, a choice, an announcement is made, okay? And any of that money that's uninsured, that doesn't fall within the FDIC's limit of protection, this insurance cap of $250,000, $250,000, you can go ahead and consider that money gone, okay? Now, if you're in the insured FDIC, NCUA, whatever, Canadian, I think it was CIC. If you're in the limits of insurance, odds are you're probably going to be made whole. When? That's to be determined. How much time do you have? That's all going to be a variable that everybody's answer is going to be different to. So comment down below. If your bank funds were frozen tomorrow, how much time do you have where you could wait for an answer, for a solution provided by U.S. Treasury, FDIC, Federal Reserve, the president, Biden administration, or depending on where you live, whatever entity or political group is over your monetary system, how long could you last? Because if you have cash, well, then that's going to change how long you could last, because you have the money. It's off the exchange. It's not tied up in the banks, in the ledgers, ones and zeros on an account that's frozen. Same with crypto. Biden administration is politicizing crypto. With Coinbase receiving a Wells notice from the SEC and the CFTC suing Binance, it feels like the crypto industry is at war with the U.S. government. This could get bad. CoinDesk words, not mine. But at the end of the day, if it gets bad and your crypto, your assets, your keys are all tied up on these exchanges, it's just like having money in the bank. It's locked until further notice. And cryptocurrency being a decentralized, currently like non-regulated investment opportunity, investment vehicle, who knows what'll happen. Therefore, if you have your keys, your crypto, your XRP, your Bitcoin, your BTC, your Shiba, your Doge, whatever it is, USDC, altcoins off the exchange, keys, you own the keys, you have the keys. Well, guess what? You're still in control, okay? You still control your own crypto. And these are things we need to be paying very, very close attention to. Now, with a string of high-profile enforcement announcements from the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, the CFTC, against crypto entities, we are at risk of losing that balance. Whether intended or not, crypto is becoming politicized and is now on the long list of topics that a divided, gridlocked U.S. Congress is unable to resolve. Little good can come from this. Now, I want to get the opinion of the seasoned cryptocurrency investors, the stakers, those who are familiar with the blockchain and have been using this for many, many years. What do you feel about this? How do you feel about this? Where do you see this going? And was this all part of a master plan from the beginning? All topics that we will discuss in future videos. Folks, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, make sure alerts are turned on, 100% free links in the description down below. Comments, concerns, suggestions, questions, drop them down below. I really do appreciate it. Please be kind to one another, and most importantly, avoid the scammers and the spammers and the bots in the comment section, because if someone's trying to reach out to you and get you to text them and WhatsApp them, it's not me. Trust me, it's not me. If you want to reach me, again, 100% free, links in the description down below. My contact info is there. Folks, I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you guys are blessed, doing well, working towards planning, preparing, and protecting for what is happening, what is coming down the pike, so that we can thrive and survive moving forward after this. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you guys real soon. Take care. Be safe. Bye.